What is the definition of a project? Believe it or not, guys, many working professionals do not know what exactly is meant by a project. Is running a customer service center a project? Is maintaining a piece of equipment a project? Is constructing a building a project? Let's try to understand. A project is defined as a temporary endeavor having a specific start and a specific end, thus creating a tangible value for the customer after its completion. Now this definition has some key points, okay? Firstly, a temporary endeavor having a specific start and a specific end. So a project needs to start at a particular time and end at some point as well. A project cannot be an ongoing operation, or a project cannot continue indefinitely. Secondly, a project should create a tangible value for the customer after its completion. So some initiative which happens without creating a substantial value or benefit for the customer after its completion cannot be considered as a project, okay? So for example, a customer service center may create value for the customer, but it's an ongoing operation, okay? Hence, it cannot be classified as a project. Similarly, maintaining an equipment doesn't have a specific start and a specific end, okay? It's a routine procedure, so this is not a project as well. However, constructing a building has a specific start and end, and it also creates tangible value after its completion. So this is definitely a project. If you have found this video helpful, please like the video, guys, share it within your network, and subscribe to PMP with Ray for more such videos on project management topics.